Namaste, welcome to Loom Shuttle. Today we are exhibiting soft silk saris. So the first sari in the collection has a body of kumkum red with a golden cream pallu. This is a partly pallu sari. So the pleats will be filled with golden and red motifs on golden cream color. And it goes with plain blouse, as you see. The whole sari is weaved in gold motifs all over. It is a beautiful combination of kumkum red with golden cream. Soft silks is made with fine silk fibers and usually have less zari work on it to attain the soft textures. It is a very lightweight and comfortable to wear saris, and they are perfect for classy and rich look. The next sari in the collection has a body of metallic gold with pallu, which is dark chocolate color, and it has a work of silver in square, and it goes with the plain dark chocolate brown blouse. The work on the pallu as well as on the whole body is the same with silver square motifs.
This sari is one of its kind with a unique color made of light pastel lavender color. This sari has full silk thread work with zari on the body, pallu and border area. As you can see, the border area is filled with huge motifs made of silk thread, navy blue color and zari. The blouse is again light pastel lavender color and it's completely plain. As you can see, this shows the entire sari with the border area, the body and the pallu. The body is completely filled with small motifs with silk thread with on the navy blue color and zari. This is one of an exclusive sari from our collection which we have handpicked because of its unique cardboard brown color. The blouse is also cardboard brown with zari work. The entire body has fine lines and also golden motifs. The border is fully made of zari. It has a rich look. The pallu, as shown, is richly woven with zari of gold and silver. This is a very unique sarees in our collection, which is peach in color. Its pallu is grey in color with rich silver zari weave. The blouse is having a contrast light peach color and it's plain. This is a borderless sari with the entire body covered with small motifs made of silver zari. This is also a patli pallu sari with light peach color and it's completely plain. The sari has got 3 colors combinations: peach, grey and light peach color, which makes it very unique and exclusive. This sari is in the combination of pearl white and olive green. Its blouse is with olive green and a very small line of fluorescent yellow. The pallu is very rich. Now the body is having peacock motifs made of silver and golden zari. At the same time, the border also has silver and golden peacock motifs with few designs in between made of gold and silver lines. The pallu, as I said, is very rich with full zari weave. It stands out because of its color combination and the fluorescent yellow in both sides of the. This is one of our showstopper sari, which is having a unique combination of baby pink and grey on the border. The pallu is richly woven with silver zari and fine lines on the borders as well. The blouse is also grey with fine lines of silver on both the sides. The sari has fine checks all over the body with small border on the upper side and a bigger border on the lower end. There are peacock motifs made of silver zari, and both sides of the border has tiny temple designs. This sari carries its very unique, exclusive richness, one which can be known only after it's draped upon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like any of our saris, please contact